Today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is Family Dollar Manager Caught Stealing $1,600 just 3 weeks into his job.
Hey, Mr. Chambers.
Yes, ma'am.
We'd like to speak with you, okay? You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
No.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did, sir?
Oh.
A new Family Dollar employee was trusted with a single security deposit worth $1,600. Hours later, the money never reached the bank. When managers checked the logs and reviewed the footage, one thing became clear: he was the last person to handle it. And the deposit didn't just go missing, it was taken.
Hi. Officer Davis, Thornton Police Department.
Oh, Jesus. Step outside. Yeah, dog. So my boss had me to call y'all. Chambers stole a deposit in the amount of $1,600. They wanted y'all to pick him up and arrest him.
Is there proof that he stole it?
We have proof on camera that he stuck the deposit in his pocket on Sunday. I have saw it, my boss saw it, and loss prevention have saw it.
Tell it to me.
He's about to run, I can tell you that.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay.
Say his last name was?
What's his name?
Ma'am?
What's his name? What's his name? And he knows y'all called because of him?
Yeah.
How much was it?
1643 and some change.
Do you know his birthday or anything?
I have to look it up. Hey, the police is here. Can we email this video to them? Because they want to see what he put in his pocket also. But I'm finna let them see it, but they want to email it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. The state attorney's office is gonna need it.
He said it can't be emailed.
Can y'all put it on a flash drive?
Yeah, that's what he just said, a
Yeah.
flash drive. Okay.
That's fine.
No, I don't. Okay, they're about to talk to him first and watch the video, and then I gotta get it uploaded. Okay. I think.
Our captain's on the way. I don't want to go to the back and him run out the front, and he's not fully certified yet, so I don't want something to happen to you, just in case.
Not the biggest guy I've ever seen tackle.
That's not the point. It's more so
Liability.
Yeah, I don't want you to have to.
Yeah, my boy on the job training. My boy, he OJT, man. You know, officer trainee.
I don't want you to have to talk me either.
Have y'all spoke with him? What has he said?
I spoke with him. I just talked him into coming back in. He said he took it.
He admitted to taking it.
He told my boss no, but we saw it. He called me outside. He said he took it. If they'll give him an option to pay it back on Tuesday, he will. They don't want to give him an option. They wanted him arrested. So.
Okay. What makes you think he's gonna run?
Oh, he told me he was going to run. He said he wasn't going to stay here and go to jail. He's been in prison before.
You know what he's been in prison for?
Drugs.
Drugs.
Out with a.
Oh, dog.
He admitted to you this morning.
Yes, he just admitted it about 10 minutes ago.
What did he say?
He said that good morning. He
This
said,
is the captain.
hey, Captain.
How are you?
I'd be better if I didn't have to deal with y'all.
He admitted it to her
He
and
just
told her that he was going
He
to
said
run.
he took it.
Where is he at?
He's in the
We haven't
inside.
spoken with him yet.
What's his name?
Chambers.
Been to prison
Blackmail?
before
Okay.
for drugs.
Okay. He did admit it to you.
He just told me standing out here that he took it. He said he's not going to tell my boss because he don't want to lose his job. They saw on the camera at 8:44 on Sunday morning. He rolled the bag up and put the bag in his pocket. He left here at a little bit before 3. He told us that he took the deposit to the bank, but another one of my employees picked him up. She dropped him off at the airport, a motel or something
Airport
here.
motel, yeah.
Okay. So he said he took it. He said he couldn't help himself. He got back on cocaine.
He offered to pay it back.
He said he'll
and
pay
they
it back
don't
on
want that.
Tuesday, but they don't want to. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah, we can't do that. Have you seen the video of it?
No, I didn't want to leave Aaron up here with
You
him.
wanted my boss number?
Aaron? What's his name?
So you're right, son is walking.
Here's your driver's license, Mom.
Wait right there. Oh, man. Uh-oh, sorry.
Mr. Chambers? Hey, Mr. Chambers?
Yes, ma'am.
We'd like to speak with you, okay? You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
No.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did, sir?
I don't know.
Roderick, you got
There's a
any
video.
weapons on you?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay, you don't mind if I pat you down real quick? You ain't got a box cutter or nothing?
No.
Let me pat you down. Roderick, it's on video, so be straight with me, dude. I know you done been to prison. I know all that.
Yeah.
And we want this to go smoothly.
Yes.
We ain't want anything more than to handle our business. Okay, dude?
Yes, sir.
I've been doing this a long time, and I understand that people get in positions. Okay?
Yes.
And I understand that you may have a cocaine problem.
Yes.
Okay? Is that true, Roger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's be straight with each other. Did you take that money?
Yes, I did.
Okay. What I want you to do is turn around here and let this young man put some handcuffs on you, and we're going to ease out and go to my office. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right? With no issue.
Yes, sir.
That's a big.
See, this must. Yeah. See, this must be a small police department because the captain came out. That normally don't even happen. Listen, captain, he had his desk, feet kicked up, chilling, relaxing. You know what I'm saying? In the office with the AC. You know what I'm saying? If it's wintertime, he got the heat on, feet kicked up, probably watching a football game or something. You know, he chilling right now. You know, so for him to come out here and them have an officer who's officer in training or whatever, he's not full-fledged yet or whatever, you know, I could tell this is kind of like a smaller police department and stuff like that, you know, but yeah, that drug addiction, man, make you you jeopardizing a guaranteed paycheck for a quick fix, man.
Oh man, be sure you double lock them cuffs so they don't shut down on Project where you staying at.
But with mom.
You can call her. Who's your mama?
64850.
Put him in the car.
Here's my keys.
You have this car.
So they're not even going through the process of telling him he's trespassed and fired and all that type of stuff. But that's normally what they do. Have you ever seen a Dollar General and Dollar Tree combined like that? I've never seen that before. They're competitors, so for them to be working together is kind of interesting. Where is it? Blountstown? Bloustown? Wait. Blount town?
The employee was arrested and charged with felony grand theft. For now, the case remains open and pending in the court system. Share your thoughts below.
It's interesting. Yeah, probably a small, like I said, that's probably a small little town or whatever the case may be. But yeah, drugs make you do some crazy things, man. You know what I'm saying? So jeopardizing a guaranteed paycheck, it seemed like he was probably on the right track, but You know, you can't give him that type of responsibility, him being new. Supposed to be depositing the money and all that stuff. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. You know what I mean? Captain came out. You know, you see what Cap got the regular clothes on. You know what I'm saying? He comfy. He ain't in no tight ass uniform. You know what I mean? He chilling. Anyway, I'm gonna give them 5 out of 5. They did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.